Good morning. Today is Monday, October 21st, 2024. Stocks posted modest gains last week with quarterly earnings season in full swing and the election on the horizon. This week on Thursday, we have our next monthly capital markets update and outlook. We will be live in person at our office. You are invited to join us for lunch, so head on over to the website to RSVP. This is your opportunity to look over our shoulder as we review the positives, the headwinds, and what we think it means for the future. We love your questions. We stay until all questions are answered. The presentation will be streamed online, and the recording will be available on our website as well. Again, you can get all the details and RSVP on our website, which of course is investwithccg.com. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. The Standard & Poor's 500 index increased 0.85% last week, while the NASDAQ Composite Index rose 0.80%. The Dow Jones Industrials Average advanced 0.96%, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, fell 0.31%. The 10-year Treasury bond yield moved up ever so slightly to 4.08%. As you can see down right here, it is now up 10.27% over the last 1 month, but still down 2.86 from 3 months ago and down 16.9% from a year ago. So it's been very volatile as of lately. We track this because, remember, as yields fall, the value of bonds rise. Stocks bolted out of the gate as the week began. The S&P 500 and the Dow Industrials hit record highs, with the Dow crossing 43,000 for the very first time. Midweek, news of a stronger than expected retail sales report contributed to overall market momentum. Retail sales rose a seasonally adjusted 0.4% in September, topping economists' forecasts. As the week wrapped up, the technology sector helped fuel a rally that pushed the S&P and NASDAQ to another record high. It was the 6th straight week of gains for the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and the Dow Industrials. There were many market forces pushing each other around last week. Corporate earnings reports drove much of the market action. Some of the most extensive financial stocks surprised on the upside, supporting a narrative that the economy remains strong. At the same time, a corporate report from one of the world's largest chip manufacturing contractors revealed continued strong global demand for AI microchips. However, increasing investor anxiety was a constant undertow in trading as the November elections drew near. Looking ahead to this week, we have another busy week. The key economic data that we're watching this week, number one, we're watching a number of different Fed officials speaking as we're trying to wrap our arms around what's going on with interest rates. So just about throughout the week, we have different Fed officials speaking. On Wednesday, we also get a look at existing home sales and the Beige Book from the Fed. On Thursday, we also look at new home sales and weekly jobless claims. And then wrapping up the week on Friday, we get a look at durable goods and consumer sentiment. Mix that all in with earnings season. Earnings season is well underway, and we've got a lot of companies that we're keeping our eye on this week, most notably on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Get that out of the way for you. You can see the companies that are reporting earnings this week. So could be a volatile week. We will see as these companies report how they're doing and what their expectations are moving forward. We share this because at CCG, we primarily invest in individual stocks. This cuts out the many hidden costs that can be found in today's investment products. If you'd like to learn more about our low-cost, fully transparent, and personalized approach, you can visit smartmixportfolios.com. Then at 2 o'clock today, that's Central Time, I will be sending out our full update for the week. This update includes more than what I talk about here on Monday mornings, including our popular weekly tax tip. This week's tax tip, we look at tax incentives that can help you further your education. Knowing your potential tax benefits may save you money if you've always dreamed about returning to school, whether to further your career or just to learn something new. Again, this email and everything with it goes out at 2 p.m. Central. So if you're not getting this email, you can subscribe at our website, www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.